viewers, welcome to Tech. My name is Farooq Ahmed and this video base is only information purpose. I'm not giving you any financial advice in this video. If you want to invest in cryptocurrency, you must complete research. After that, you will do this. So viewers, this video is going to be very interesting for you. If you want to get more information about cryptocurrency, you must watch this video till end. And also subscribe my channel, like my video, share with your friend, and must press the icon button because this is a necessity for you. So let's go over laptop screen. So in last video I gave you information how to get backup of your Qtum Core wallet because this is very necessary to you if you want to recover your account, import your account or restore your account. So if you have not watched that video, so please go to my YouTube channel and watch that video. That video is very informative for you. So today we are going to discuss about how to import private key in Qtum Core wallet. Yeah, if you have any wallet, your private key, then you can easily import your wallet. But you must have private key. After that you can do this. So please follow these steps which is I'm going to show you in my video. But first of all, please subscribe my channel. My channel name is CryptoWallets Info, and also press the bell icon button. And you can also visit my website. My website name is cryptowalletsinfo.com. So now I'm going to open my Qtum Core wallet because today we are going to import our wallet. We already discussed about how to find the private key from Qtum Core wallet. If you have not watched that video, you can also watch my last video. You can see here, if I'm going to click on my website, you can see here how to find private key. You must also watch this video. This is video very informative for you. Today we are going to import any wallet with the private key. If you have private key, then you can easily your wallet import, recover or restore. Okay. Now Qtum Core wallet is open in front of me. This is the interface of Qtum Core wallet. I have not this time balance, but in coming video I will tell you about how can you deposit and how to withdraw from your wallet. So please, incoming video must watch. So if you need to import your wallet, so just go to the window. You can see here window, and the fifth number is that console, and you can also use the short command Control T. So I have click on it. And then you must read this caution. See here, welcome to the Qtum Core RPC console. Use up and down arrow to the native history. And warning, scammer has been activated, telling user to type command here, stealing their wallet content. So viewers, please do not try any wrong command on this area, because if you will do this, so it's maybe your fund will be lost. So you just use this command which is I'm going to use for the import of wallet. So if you want to find private key, so this is so simple. You just dump private key, and this is dump private key, and I'm going to copy the address, like this is my address, and go to the again open console area, space, paste, and now this is on my wallet address private key. This private key of this wallet. Now I already gave you information about it, but now we are going to import the private key or import my wallet with my private key. So which command you are going to use? You can use here command is import import private key. You can see here import private key. I'm just going to copy and open node file where I have saved my private key and my address. Let's suppose you can see here, kindly read the properly command import import privkey import private key. Then enter the paste your private key. So I have entered already my command import private key. Now I'm going to copy my private key of this wallet and going to import. Just simple space, press space bar, and after that enter your wallet address private key. This is my wallet address private key. I have not any private key, but I just find private key of my this Qtum Core wallet. So it's for only for educational purpose. So I'm going to click on enter. When you click on enter, you can see here the default wallet is rescanning. The wallet is rescanning. After 100% scan complete, then your wallet will be import successfully in your Qtum Core Wallet, and your balance will be shown in your dashboard area. But first of all, keep in your mind, you must complete your all blockchain in your Qtum Core Wallet. After that, you can easily make the transaction, and you can see here the 9% is complete and 10% complete. It maybe take only 5 to 10 minutes for the complete wallet import. And this video for very helpful for you if you recover your account, import your account, or restore your account. You can import any wallet with any private key of Qtum Core Wallet. Okay, so I hope you properly understand. So if you get any information from this video, so please subscribe my channel. My channel name is Crypto Wallets Info, and also press the bell icon button. You can also visit my website. My website name is cryptowalletsinfo.com. You can see here I already made the video about Bitcoin, Dogecoin, Tron, Ethereum, Ripple, Newcoin, Litecoin, and if you go to click on Altcoin, you can see here there's click on Altcoin. There I already make the many videos about Exodus, Digibyte, Coinbase, Bitcoin Diamond, Jax Wallet, Binance, Electrum, Namecoin, VeChain, Trust Wallet, Tronlink Pro, Quada Wallet, Coinomi Wallet, Green Address Wallet, and also Dogecoin Wallet. You just simple go to the Google, type cryptowalletsinfo.com. After that, this website open in front of you, and then let's suppose you want to get the information about Dogecoin. You just simply click on Dogecoin tab. Then new page open in front of you. I'm just going to click on close. Now you can see here the new page is open in front of me. There is almost many videos available regarding Dogecoin. Secure 5-step to keep your coin. Secure how to find hash ID, how to transfer all blockchain data from Dogecoin Core Wallet, how to back a Dogechain wallet, how to send receive money in Dogechain, how to redeem paper wallet, information about Dogecoin website, how to generate paper wallet in Dogecoin Core Wallet, how to backup and restore Dogecoin wallet. You can see here I already make the many videos about many cryptocurrency wallets on this website. You just simple visit and get the information. So let's meet with you in new video. Bye bye. And if you face any problem regarding install wallet, deposit, withdrawal, or find the private key, you just simple comments below this video. I must reply your comments, and when I will free, I must reply to you. So yes, I hope you properly understand about how to find private key, how to import private key, how to find your wallet address, how to get backup, all information on this in my YouTube channel. You just simply go to the Google and type my YouTube channel Crypto Wallets Info, and after that you will get all information about regarding cryptocurrency wallets. So we'll meet with you in new video. Bye bye.